So there be different kind of pitches, different kind of environment. Meaning that come on a blending about boost almost more about the coffee.
Na season way for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Who was it?
Season here, the real first half, the second half, no number in the AC. I mean, I promise you say. Kotoko, a Virgin League.
And also Kotoko Virgin League.
We catch you, say Virgin League.
Thank you, Lord, with the good news now, Asante Kotoko IMC say, would the NJ joining? How do you feel about
it? I'm proud of Kotoko. Yes, so Ghana Kotoko, Imodi. It's a name way intense. I'm very, very happy, sir. Room for a partnership with Kotoko for this time beyond more. It's like Kotoko, your core, your dry season, and we need something a bit resi Kotoko image. Ama yetimi abba up once again, and I think this is the beginning of a new thing happening to Kotoko.
Well, you who say old players more they say of my joining Kotoko no as a more pay key role. The brand team no more than one more kwada kwajache. Then all of a sudden, I say my so influential. Penny for na ama mo kwan ana one am say you have a part to play.
Yeah, I'm fine as a booth.
Okay.
But yeah, can't say. You know, I quite fast, so yeah, Ogum, the first coming, Oba Kumasia and Ogada, Yense, or Personi Dinkomo, because we feel say he need the legends, their input, Timmy, your Bamacha, dear who need the canteen, or no open the doors. And a man, a management, so welcome. And I started continuing like this, and it's time I was you honor your heroes. It's time because you see any BB and so and never be on more. We are there, you can beat experience. Yeah, Kotoko da. Yeah, you go through Kotoko to this level. You never be even tradition no kurano. Obi a one more Kotoko da. Ana obi a ha onim. Entino yeah. Input, yeah, but see, I have to say, a legends are more buying, or more backing, or more team. And I think it's very, very important. If Kotoko legends not going to play certain key roles, and more, a better year, because you see, say, cancer psychology in football. I don't think Obi a psychology, no, Obed me, a beat me on these areas, because I know in and outside out of Asante Kotoko. And even if a player is going through certain problems, I can even watch them as individual and say, look, there's a problem because of the way I board, because the way I respond to certain things. And then you can beat experience. You see, time is a teacher. The more you learn, the more you live, the more you learn. And and you know, who I say Kotoko action legends, abe battle mo. Na niam say you bet me invite legends. Ama yeso ya share views. Na ya kan ya dwene. Positive. Bet me aboa ko.
You said time na modern bonding ko you know. So na mo believe say the team will come back. Na mo believe in Ogum. There were others who don't believe say as I say for Janu Kwamba more than more believe. Then and more say GDN say things will get better for Kotoko.
In football, any magic and any draw, a consistency of certain players coming together with technical team consistently. You know, if they are there, we make mistakes, we correct them. Now it's rather unfortunate. Years back, we will see say 3 years it's never changed Kotoko, whereby we have a new board, we have a new CEO management, we have a new technical, we have maybe a wholesale of players coming together. Yes. And yet now one who is Ushe far back a year time no kurano from 80 since the year Bayern, your boya to 83, which is 4 years Tanzania Africa. And consistently, no who say you need me home more, you move a chemistry no a work it, teamwork no cohesion no a but of late, recently, and a years back, maybe 20 something years, and it has been like that. And now, say, if you keep certain kind of people in the team, no, a bit me abwa, amakotoko ababak. For instance, who group new team, you don't expect say a cohesion beba overnight. Well, the Kotoko and certain team. I gather a free coach or the players by any more pre-season Corano. Now a very difficult. But with time, no, you see, say a beba. Sometimes yeah, nice. Rather unfortunately, say but through the game. Normally, in care what time to go for pre-season. Near both friendly matches are. And on my team, no, at certain level. And to near himself with time, no, Kotoko will gel. A matter of time. And also the players consistently working very hard, self-discipline, they will come back.
Now, can you say after 4 games now Kotoko win Kotoko Edu?
I think say Kotoko Edu because we are as much as in progress, there are few mistakes be correction and I think the time will come, mistakes in the fewer. Because you can't say you ball I win your mistake in that. It's obvious, but you see, winning more than maybe even draw or lose.
Okay, now moving forward, then I'll be catching a cheetah for when it comes to Kotoko performance because we know a big game this Sunday. And your mom and son are born win, lose or draw. Then I'll be catching a cheetah for now ahead of this particular match.
You make us support maximum support, even though I house for home. Kumasi Kotoko fee and the supporters yem brandy Kumasi Sports Stadium with red colors. Na yem pushy team I think there's a players on see Bobo last match it was delight to watch them against Chelsea and I think gradually my yes supporters me and transit more I see push I know the team ever call the way a baby or say team no do and I believe because supporters smooth say idea, but I think as the senior Kotoko progress you better has.
Lord come more but AFCON eba. Na discussion ba ko also here Richmond Lamptey among for play say Kotoko players ni be modern boys so no they limited to Lamptey. O share ball na Lamptey ball na o share the course of Blasters na. Who ni say omo ka say o deserve call up no. O dream say.
I think he's progressing. Or Lamptey minimum di dance here. And these are the players I think yet me push you more a matter of time. Almost at national colors abo. Adebia I will say systematically na neko. Won't mean can say Lamptey a bit me take position all of a sudden. No, it will take time, but it has to be a step. Or say to me a pushy Lamptey no feel how even the standard of national team games here. Then with time no one say you work himself into it.